Hey everyone, today I'm here with this 2016 Ford Fusion, and if you're looking for a vehicle that has leather heated seats, amazing media center, sunroof, and more, then you're going to love this vehicle. I'm Alana here at Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018, and you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this white exterior color. You have your Ford badge right there in the middle above your grille. And then you have these projector beam headlamps with fog lamps below that. This has a 1.5 liter inline-4 EcoBoost engine, so you have that efficiency. And then looking down at your wheels, those are 18-inch wheels. Love the blacked out design on those. This could fall under our certification, and if it does, it would be our 5-year, 60,000-mile max care coverage and more. And to learn more about that warranty, give us a call here at Woody's. One of our friendly sales advisors will get you more information about that. Looking down at your side mirrors, you have your indicator lights on the sides, and they are powered and heated with a corner mirror so you can see easier into your blind spot. You also have keyless entry with a touchscreen number keypad on your driver's side. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these black leather seats that are heated. Love the striped design down the middle that are super cushioned. You have controls for both sides, power controls, and memory settings for your driver's side. Then looking at your steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings, cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your media controls all in the front there. And then looking at your media center brought to you by Sync, you have your phone settings so you can connect your phone with Bluetooth. You have your radio options here. You can subscribe to Sirius Radio. You have your climate controls here. They are dual, so you can have different settings, and you can also see your heated buttons right there as well. And then here are all of your other Sync options that you can subscribe to. Plus you have all of your settings and stuff as well. And this has a backup camera when you are in reverse, so you can easily back up in those tight parking spots. You also have this zoom in so you can kind of see closer as well. Have a CD insert right there, and then all of your climate controls are in button form along with those heated seat buttons as well. You do have a 12 volt here so you can charge your phone up. I love that there's room back here. You can put your wallet or anything, purse. Have an automatic stick, 2 cup holders, and then your center console has this shelf which can pop out, and then you have a media hub with a USB port, SD card reader, and a 12 volt. So looking on up, you have your universal garage door openers and then controls for your sunroof. So let's a nice fresh breeze in through the roof of this vehicle. So let's go look at the back seat. Looking in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here. You also have a cup holder armrest which you can fold down that has 2 cup holders in it, and there is a 12 volt located on the floor there. These seats can also be folded down, so if you need some extra room in your trunk, you can fold those down. Making your way around the side, you have your LED tail lamps, your SE and EcoBoost badging, as well as a rear sensing system that will alert you to any objects that are behind your vehicle. You also have remote start on a key fob right there. This does have a power trunk, which opens up. I love how big this trunk is, lots of room, and I also like how big the mouth of the trunk is, so you can get those large suitcases in really easily and stuff. So overall, amazing vehicle. I love those leather heated seats, that sunroof, and if you want to see this Ford or any of our other sedans, visit our website, wowwoodies.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit, right?
What do you think differentiates Woody's from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
Have so many different vehicles in a lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.